Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming here with another great product review. This is from the Auris.com. It's the Auris bluMe HD Bluetooth 5.0 music receiver with Audiophile DAC and aptX HD. This thing's only, according to their website right now as of this recording, $119. It is worth every penny you're going to pay for it if you are a true audiophile. So what this does is this can make any audio system you have wireless. So if you have an audio receiver, things of that nature, speakers and stuff, this makes your audio system wireless, where it can go right to the unit there. Easy setup, connects in seconds. There's no app or wireless router network required. It's high fidelity, Qualcomm, aptX HD, aptX low latency, and aptX AAC decoders. This thing is jam-packed with lots of toys. Audiophile grade, 384 kilohertz, 32-bit DAC for superior unsampled playback. And it's got a high gain antenna for long range streaming up to 30 meters or 100 feet. Comes in two different colors. So I was really impressed with this product. The sound quality that takes and runs through its DAC is amazing, and you can use your phone to broadcast to your stereo, etc., etc. It's awesome. Bluetooth 5.0. If you're not aware, that's pretty current. Qualcomm aptX HD, Qualcomm aptX LL, audiophile grade DAC, digital and analog connectivity. So if you got an even older receiver, you got the analog there. High interference intolerance, long range, and premium aluminum design. I thought it was really beautiful, and it does a hell of a job. It's got the Bluetooth 5.0 technology and the Qualcomm Bluetooth audio chipset inside of it. That 24-bit audio just sounds so rich when it comes across. I got to tell you, I really, really liked it. You can receive 48 kilohertz 24-bit audio via Bluetooth. It's just an awesome setup that they put in here. I was really blown away, and the coverage on it is awesome. I highly recommend the product, and I think you will enjoy it too. So be sure to check it out. You can go to theauris.com, and you can check out the bluMe HD 5.0 music receiver with the audiophile DAC and aptX HD review. So be sure to check that out, and we certainly appreciate you. Give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube, hit that bell notification button. We'll see you next time.